Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Tradingview free trial. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the website just like so. Then you want to go ahead and just log in. Alright, so you went ahead and logged in or created a new account. All you want to do is you want to press this button over here that does say get started for free. Then it's going to bring you to a page that does look like this, and basically all of these different plans allow you to get a 30-day free trial. So go ahead and just pick whichever plan you want to go ahead and actually use. So for this video, I'm just going to be working with the essential. So yeah, you guys actually are able to use a free 30-day trial right over here. As you can tell, it's not going to charge us anything, but then it's going to charge us a month after. So please keep that in mind. And yeah, so from here, you just want to go ahead and enter in your name. You will also need to include a payment method like a credit card or a debit card or something like that. And then all you need to do is actually just purchase it. But it's honestly that simple to get access to a free trial. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.